Good morning, playgroups. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great. So, welcome to your EPL class. And in today's lesson, we are going to talk about how to eat noodles with spoon and fork. Before moving to our main activity, let's recall some table manners. First, wash your hands, sit nicely, food to your mouth, chew with your mouth closed, and lastly, take up your dishes when finished eating, and do clean your face as well. Okay, now you tell, is this the right way to eat noodles? Think. No, it's not the right way. Is it? Yes, it's the right way to eat noodles. Okay, to start the activity, take a bowl full of noodles, a spoon and a fork. Hold the spoon in your left hand and the fork in your right hand. Now, hold the spoon in your left hand and the fork in your right. Pick up the noodles with the fork and twirl them against the spoon before lifting them into your mouth. Let's watch it again. Hold the spoon firmly and twirl the fork until no strands are hanging from it. Now lift the fork to your mouth. Okay, playgroups, I hope you enjoyed the video. Perform this activity with the help of your mommy. And do share your videos with me. Take care of yourself. Goodbye. Stay home. Stay safe.